back in the car with it. Nah, I'm kidding. But yes, I'm here, Emmy Nicole, on my way to a Jeune Skin event. If you don't know what Jeune Skin is, I will have all of the information in the description box. Natural, homemade, vegan, cruelty-free, CBD-infused skincare brand. My best friend and her business partner, they put this together, and I'm going to their Valentine's Day, I guess you could say, launch. It's a little pop-up shop. That's what it is. It's like a little pop-up shop for them. All of their products are going to be available. I mean, even though it's going to be over when you guys see this, but that's where I'm going to. I was actually featured in it. Artistry Tips was a part of that Valentine's Day visual, if you didn't know. Not kidding. This shirt, this is a black business, black owned. Yeah, support is everywhere. Okay, support is free. Support the people that you know. Okay, do that. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on the journey, and also I'm going to be using some of the products because I don't know if you can see, like, I'm having a little trouble right now, some little problem areas, but overall, like, my skin looks good, and it's because I use these products. So it's a little artistry tip for you right here, skincare edition. Okay, so you guys are gonna meet the owners, and we're gonna get into these products. Okay.
Hello.
Nope. We like wise over here, though. I mean, alright. So, anyways, yes, we got businesses supporting other businesses here at Miracle Beauty, Long Island. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Kim.
I'm Leora.
And we are
Jeune Skin. And this is our Valentine's Day collection.
So today we are showcasing our Valentine's Day collection, and we gave everybody an opportunity to pick up their pre-orders in person, and we also wanted to sell our Valentine's Day collection in person. So here we have the Detox Body Polish. This is a body scrub. It has brown sugar in it. It has Epsom salt in it. It has rice water in it, which is going to help with lightening the skin, evening your skin tone and things like that. And it's overall just a very relaxing body scrub, so we thought, why not put that in our Valentine's Day collection? And it smells amazing. So yeah.
So this is our Love Body Balm. So it goes on like butter. As soon as it goes into your skin, it melts right away. It's amazing, and it smells super sweet. So it has cocoa butter, maroon butter, aloe oil, chamomile oil, and a little bit of glycerin, so it glides right on your skin.
So this is our, let's pick this one up. So this is our Love Smudge Stick. It has lavender in it, rose petals, and it also has a rose quartz stone. This is a really special component to our Valentine's Day collection because it promotes good vibes, it invites love into your life. And inviting love into your life is not only romantically, guys. It could be family, it could be, anybody. Love is universal. So we thought, why not put this in our Valentine's Day collection and promote love? So yeah, this is our Valentine's Day collection. You could also buy this stuff separately. You could buy it online, so you don't just have to meet us in person. And yeah, we're excited.
How long is this collection going to be available?
Until it's sold out.
Okay.
It's very limited stock.
Yeah.
It's going fast.
Yeah. So if you have it, you're lucky. So yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
It's seriously snowing again, guys. Like, I'm real life over this snow. I'm sorry, but I mean, it looks pretty, but we just had mad of it, like, again, for real. It's mad pretty though. I'm literally recording this through my screen, through my window. Yo, cause I wonder if y'all could tell. I can't even really tell right now. This is really giving, okay? This, I have my handwritten note. And then let's see. Okay. This is the Love Smudge Stick. Wow, I always love the instructions that come with all of their packages. Like, whatever product you get, you're gonna get some instructions on it. Okay, we got the the Detox Body Polish, and then the Love Body Balm. Oh, would you look at that? Who is that? Is that me? Oh wow, is that Artistry Tips? Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Let's get to the product. Let's get to the juicy part. Okay, so we have the body balm, and let me just tell you guys, this smells amazing. Like, I'm wearing this on Valentine's Day. I just want you guys to know that. Like, if you my Valentine and you wondering why I'm smelling so good, just know it's Jeune Skin, baby. And then I'm gonna use this on Valentine's Day too. I'm gonna get right, all the way right. The body polish, like, I've used this already and it does not leave your skin greasy. You know how some scrubs, like, you feel like a little residue after, a little oily or something? Like, no, this gets the job done and you feel so smooth after. And y'all already know I'm super excited about this smudge stick because, baby, I love me some sage. And it comes with a rose quartz stone, like, and it has lavender. Like, I love it. I can't wait to use it. Okay, so these are the products that I've already been using by Jeune Skin. What I just showed you was their Valentine's Day collection, which is limited edition. These are their actual products that, you know, they're constantly restocking on and that I've been using and love. So I just wanted to do like a little, kind of like little tutorial on how I use each of these products. The first product that I'll be using is their mask, which is Mint Condition. It is a mask, also it's an exfoliant, and this is like, it's so gentle, but it is so effective. Like, I really love it. Excuse my nails, like, I'm gonna get to them, so just don't even come for me, okay? Being a nail tech and having your nails done, like, if you're a nail tech, you can already relate. You already know where I'm coming with that. But yeah, so I'm going to be using the mask. I'm gonna steam my face, then I'm going to use the mask, and then after I'm going to show you how I use my green tea essence, which is a toner, but I used it as a facial mist. But if you want to just spray it on like a cotton pad or something and use it as a toner, you could do that, but I prefer to use it as a facial mist, and I really love it. I just brought me another one because literally this is going to be gone, like, it's going to be gone. And then I'm going to show you how I use my Amethyst facial serum, and yeah, it's almost gone. It's almost gone, but this lasts me such a long time. Like when they first released the serum, that's when I brought it, and I forgot, it was like in the summertime, and it's February now, and I'm just now like really almost done with it. So definitely worth the money. And yeah, let's get right into the little tutorial. All right, so you're probably like, what the fuck is this? So this is my facial steamer slash hair steamer, and this is what I'm gonna be using to get my face steamed and open up the pores. That way the mask can do what the mask needs to do. Okay, so I'm done steaming my face. The lighting is bad, so you can't even really see, but so I'm going to take the mask, the little spatula that they give you, and some water, and mix it up, and then put it on my face. So I'm gonna take like 3 scoops full. That may even, no, actually 2 like big scoops of it, because this mask is not like a clay mask. It's like the consistency is not clay, but it's like, it's a mask. I know a lot of people, they look at powder and they think clay mask automatically, but it's not really a clay mask to me. It's not like as thick. So I'm just gonna take some water. I have some hot water here. I don't know if that really make a difference. I don't think so, but let me show you. So I have this much in there, and I'm gonna show you how I mix it, like what consistency I get it to. I feel like this might be way too much for my face. Maybe I should just scoop a little back in there, because you know we can't be wasting product out here. But I feel like I got too much. Well, let me just take a little bit out, put it back in there. Yeah, maybe just take a little out. Because it's like you kind of want to add to it in case it's like you put too much water. So you don't want to really start off with too much product, because, you know, you want to be able to control the consistency. You don't, oh shit, spilled a little. Talking about wasting product, and here I am wasting product. Alright, just clean that up. Alright, so I changed it to about like this much. It's still a lot, but it's not a lot. Like, it's not a lot, it's not a lot, it's not a lot. So I'm gonna pour some water. Just a little bit. And yo, I keep moving this stuff everywhere. I don't know what's wrong with me. Well, I think I might have to start mixing the mask with warm water. I feel like I get more of a clay consistency with the warm water. Hold up, guys, because I may have just discovered something new. Because when I usually I use room temperature water, but I just had hot water here from like, and it's really like it's not a clay, but it's like, nah, actually this is giving clay. This is giving clay. Okay, so I have the mask all over my face, and now I'm just going to let it dry. And then once it's dried, I'm going to like as I'm washing it off, I'm gonna scrub my face to get the exfoliated side of it, and then I will be back. Okay, so this is what my face is looking like right after I wash the mask off. As you see, it looks kind of red, and I like when products do that to my face because I feel like they're really working. But like my face looks like there's a filter, like it's so clear, like. And listen, I pick at my face, that's why I have these marks and stuff, but I'm gonna come back and show you how Jeune Skin gets that all the way together, okay? So next I'm gonna show you how I use the serum. Okay, so we washed everything off. Face is patted dry. I patted it with clean paper towel. I don't really use any washcloths or anything on my face. Just either I let it air dry or I use a clean paper towel. So now I'm taking the green tea essence and I'm using it as a facial mist. And I spray a lot. You probably don't need as much as I spray, but I spray a lot because I just love it. And it's just like, it feels so good on my skin. Like, I'm sorry, I'm spraying on my neck, everywhere. Okay, green tea essence is my baby. Okay, so the next thing that I do, I take this aloe vera gel and I put it on my face because I have dry skin, and this helps. Like, I need to put layers on my face. And one thing that I learned is, like, you want to put your products on while your face is still like moist. You don't want to, I used to wait for stuff to dry. Like, I used to wait for my green tea essence to dry, then put it, but now I'm in the habit of just like putting it while it's still moist. So I just put some aloe vera on my face. I'm looking at a mirror over here too. Like, okay, so once I have that rubbed in, I take my Amethyst facial serum. It's child-proof lock or something on this thing. Always have a hard time opening it. So I just get some, and I use, I guess you could say 4, like 2 actual drops, and then like, no, 3, no, 4. Okay, so I go like this, and it's like I'm kind of going to bed, so I'm kind of like going a little heavy with it because I don't care if I'm looking oily going to bed. But also I have dry skin, so it's like I'm not putting the average amount that a person who has either normal skin or oily skin. But also this is a very lightweight product, so it's like, you know, it just feels so good. Like, oh my gosh, like do your products make you feel good? Like, your skin instantly just feels soft, like instantly. Yeah, like I really have to massage around my nose in the wintertime because it's really just bad. And I just use it on my neck and on my lips, everything. And then once I rub it in, I pat it in because that's what they recommend. They recommend patting it to get, I guess, better absorption into the skin. So mainly like on my dark spots, that's why I really just like pat that shit in. And yeah, staying very Jeune out here, baby. Let me like maybe get in the light a little more so you guys can see. Y'all staying Jeune or what? Like, comment, subscribe. Buy some Jeune Skin because we're staying Jeune. And if you don't know what Jeune means, tune into their page, channel, all of that, and learn all about their products, okay? Because this is really it for me, baby.